everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. I am Carol, and today guys I have some visitors. I have
Junior
and King James. So guys, in today's video we are going to try out a recipe from the website Creative in My Kitchen by Claudia, and we'll try and make some tiger nut cookies. I've done a couple of recipes with tiger nut flour, and I'm excited to try out this particular recipe. I've not done it before, so this will be my first time, and I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out. So welcome to today's video. Let's try out this particular recipe. As always, I'll put a link in the description below for this exact recipe. You'll find the exact measurements for the ingredients that we have today. So let's see what you're working with today, and welcome. Are you going to say hi?
Yes.
Let's say hi.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. So guys, let's see what you are working with today. So I have some chocolate, I have some tiger nut flour. Over here on this particular plate, I have some monk fruit sweetener, I have some rosemary, and I have a zest of orange. You can also use a zest of lemon. In this particular bowl, I have an egg and some olive oil. On this plate, I have some tapioca flour, I have some baking soda, and some salt. So we'll start by mixing the wet ingredients. It's a very simple recipe as I've read through it, so it's not complicated. Like I said, I already have some egg and some olive oil, so we're going to mix it. Mix. Now we're going to add the monk fruit sweetener, the zest, and the rosemary.
King mix.
King will mix now.
I mix now.
Wait.
I mix.
Let me see. You can see our mixture, guys. It's okay. Now we're going to go to the next step.
I mix.
So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to put the dry ingredients apart from the chocolate. That's the tiger nut flour, the tapioca, the baking soda, and the salt. Then we mix. Then the next thing we're going to put in are the chocolate. Pour it inside. That's the chocolate. Let me use my hands now. The recipe says that you should have a sticky, soft dough. I think mine is sticky and soft. So I'm going to use a spoon because the book says around 1 tablespoon of dough. So once you get the dough, boys, I want you to make it into a bowl. See, like that?
Yeah.
Good, and then you put it down. Yes, like that. What you use. This is for your brother. This is a nice recipe to try it with your kids.
Yeah.
Good job.
Fine, you're finished.
So here we go, guys. Once you finish making them into a bowl, you press them down a bit. The book says we flatten slightly. Then the last thing is to garnish them with some more chocolate on top. We are going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are firm to touch. So guys, our cookies are ready and they have cooled for some time. So it's time to taste. The people who are making the cookies have gone to play, so I'll taste them on their behalf. Oh my goodness, these cookies, hey. These cookies are just yummy. And they just have a nice balance of sweetness. Let me read something that I saw in this particular recipe. Yeah, this is it. Because of the natural sweetness, this flour is one of my first choice when creating sugar-free dessert. It's also perfect for keto lifestyle and an excellent substitute for nut flour for those allergic to nuts. Despite their names, Tigernuts are not actual nuts, but small tubers. We only put, let me confirm before I say my own things. We only put 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener and the cookies are sweet. So actually what the recipe says about the Tigernut flour is true. It has some natural sweetness by itself. So adding the 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener is just enough. Enough, guys. Try out this particular recipe. Try this recipe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And also check in the website. There's so many different Tigernut recipes that I've also not tried, so try them out and let me know which ones you like and the ones that you'd like me to try them out for you. So that's it for today, guys. Bye bye and God bless.